In this class, we are going to learn looping in JavaScript. So looping or iteration is the process of repeating a statement in multiple times. There are three kinds of loops in JavaScript. Those are, first one is for loop. These are the basic most important loops. Second one is while loop. And third one is do while loop. Okay, so we will learn each of these loops one by one. First of all, let's take for loop. So this is the syntax of for loop. For loop has an initialization is there, then a condition is there, and that is auto suggestion. Condition is there, condition checking is there, then an updation is there, and inside that body of the loop. So that's how this loop works. Let's explore how it works. First, this initialization statement get executed, and then the condition is evaluated. If this condition is true, then only this body of the loop got executed. After that, this updation happens, and again it falls to this check this condition, and if condition is true, body executes, updation happens, condition, body, updation, condition. So that's a loop. It repeats again and again and again. Okay, so let's see with an example. I will comment this. So for var I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So that is increment statement, and within that I will print console.log hello world. So let's see what happens now. I have opened up this page and I will invoke this our developer console window. Okay, I will refresh this page. Let's see what happens. So this hello world message got printed 5 times. So this 5 indicates that this is printed 5 times. So that what happened here. So first this var I is equal to 0 got executed, then it's checked whether i's value is less than 5. So 0 less than 5, this state it enters to the control enters to the body of the loop since the condition is true, and this statement got executed one time. Then I plus plus, i's value got incremented, then again condition is checked. Now 1 less than 5, this is again true, hello world got printed, then I updated, checked. So it works multiple times till the condition fails. The condition fails when i's value is equal to 5. That's how this loop works. So this is a basic example of a for loop. If we have single statement, we doesn't need to give this bracket. So still it will work. So let's check. Okay, it's working. Hello world is printed 5 times. So if you have confusion that hello world printed just one time, I will make it sure to you that it printed 5 times. I will print I2. So let's see what happens now. So I have printed hello world and I put a comma and I print the value of I. So let's see what happens now. I will refresh this page. Now you can see hello world messages. So hello world 0, hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3, hello world 4. The condition fails at i's value is equal to 5. So here i's value is equal to 4. So that is the maximum. So that's how for loop works. Now let's get into while loop. So while loop has the syntax like this. Most of the loops have this kind of syntax, this kind of logic, but the syntax wise it differs. So first of all, let me write the syntax of while loop. For that, the initialization statement is written first, then a while. Inside that a condition is checked, and based on that condition an updation, a body of the loop is executed and then an updation happens. So that's how while loop works. So initialization, here also the initialization works the first time and then after it doesn't work. So here this initialization is written above this while statement, so it works first time, then condition is evaluated, body, it enters to the body and updation happens, then again condition evaluated, body, updation, and this cycle goes on. So this is the syntax of while loop. Let me write the above statement, above code with above logic with while loop. For that I will type var I is equal to 0. So that is our initialization. So that is our initialization. Okay. Then I will type while I less than 5. I less than 5. Sorry, I less than 5. And inside that I will type console.log hello world. Hello world. Then, so that is our body of the loop. Body of the loop. Then I will type updation. So updation is incrementing the value of I. So let's check what happens now. Sorry, I will refresh this page. I will refresh this page again. Now you can see hello world got printed 5 times. So that loop works. So that is while loop. So we have discussed for loop and while loop. Okay, now let's go to do while loop. I will comment it out. So do while loop has a similar syntax. Similar syntax like first we have to write this initialization. Then I will type a do. Then after here there is body of the loop, then updation, and after this at the exit I will type while condition. Okay, so this is the syntax of do while loop. So here the basic difference is here condition is evaluated first. If the condition satisfied, then only this body of the loop got executed. But that's not the scenario here. Here first the control get into the body, updation happens, then only this condition gets evaluated. That is, here the condition is evaluated on entry to the loop. Here condition is evaluated at exit of the loop. That means this do while loop guarantees this body execution at least 1 times. So that's the scenario. Here body execution happens only when this condition is true. But here at least 1 time this body will get executed. Then only this condition get evaluated. So let's write the same code with do while loop. I will comment it out. I will comment out the syntax. Okay. Var I is equal to 0. Do. Inside the body I will type console.log hello world, comma I. I will print the value of I too. Then I increment that value I++. Then while condition is evaluated I less than 5. Sorry, I less than 5. So let's see what happens now. We can see the result here. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's how the result is. So this do while loop works. The result is similar to the above loop. The only difference is that with do while loop is that it guarantees that this statement will execute it no matter what. That statement will at least execute 1 time. Here at while loop the condition is evaluated at entry to the loop, and here at do while loop the condition is evaluated at exit to the loop. So This while loop is called entry control loop and do while loop is called exit control loop. So while loop is entry control, while loop is entry control, do while loop is exit control loop. Okay, so that concludes our session. Thank you. So I believe you have learned basics of loop in JavaScript. Thank you.